What key advantages set Zeb apart as a vendor partner?
One of the unique things, strictly from a technology or IT perspective, is, Zeb kind of like is at the table with us and really understanding what the business requirements are. It isn't an IT first mindset. It's really understanding what drives dollars, what drives revenue, what drives value for the internal stakeholders. And obviously the downstream impact to our customers is significant. So to me, it's really a unique IT and business collaboration where our colleagues on the Zeb side are really listening to the business owners. For me, I am not a technical or an IT background, but I'm able to articulate the business case required to solve for the solution. Then, the Zeb team has been very, very helpful with taking, thought to action from a technical perspective. And again, it's been a significant success for us since the inception of the relationship, and we continue to build, grow, and develop in lockstep together. So I think that's really the unique relationship and the unique offering that Zeb brings to the table.